we want nuclear energy to play a central role on the decarbonized future for your children and your just children, it is our job to make sure that that is so. So realizing this potential requires leaders who are innovative, resilient, and committed to a shared vision, and who are ready to collaborate and work together to make all these ideas, all these challenges a reality. And this is why World Nuclear University exists, to develop these leaders, to ensure that this talent and these capabilities are ready to lead the nuclear industry through the challenges and the opportunities that lie ahead. I want to take the opportunity to announce where World Nuclear University Summer Institute 2026 will take place. So for that, I have the baton that I'm going to pass to France, because in 2026, we will have the World Nuclear University Summer Institute in Lyon and in Paris. So please, I would like to invite Bernard Fontana, who is the chairman and CEO of EDS, to join me up in stage, Nicolas Maes, CEO of Orano, and of course, Grégoire Ponchon, the CEO of Framatome, to be here together to receive the baton for the World Nuclear University Summer Institute 2026.